In this episode, my slash gets wet. So does Steve's Inferno ST. And 8S Steve gets mud in his face. Alright guys, want to make some extra cash so you can buy more toys, quit your job, go on more holidays, or maybe build a monster truck? I've got you covered. Check out my course in the description and I'll show you how to make 100k profit a year. We got 8S Steve in the house.
With a brolly.
We've got
It's got to eat my head.
Right, we've got this little thing going. We've got a bash, but we want to stay dry because it's pouring it down. So, what you do, you get an umbrella, put it in like inside the pocket and zip up, but now you can bash and video and stay dry at the same time. By the way, 8SD's filming his YouTube channel today. I'm going to put a link to that down below, guys. So make sure you subscribe, share him some love. The more love you give us, the more videos we can make. Alright, so I'm running a slash 4x4. Loads of mud out here, look. So hopefully this little tray thing we put in here from J Concepts is going to keep it all a little bit drier. Alright, so we're starting off, down the hole, but we're starting off on 3S. And later on, if it's still alive, we're going to try some 4S. It's raining, guys, but we're dry. We've got umbrellas. Oh, I got plastered. And it gets through, check it out. Come on, Slash, you can do it. You can do it, boy. Hey, we made it. So here we got 8SD's bash setup. Let's have a little look at that little setup. Check it out, guys. That's how you bash and make YouTube videos. Woo! Oh, we got excited. He's got headlights or tail lights. He's got both. Is that the Badlands on there? Yeah. I was getting through there better than mine. Oh, is that it? One of your wires come unplugged.
Sounds like it, yeah.
Ah. Alright, no water for Steve. Oh!
Found it.
What's happened in there?
Alright. Everything seems to be plugged in. Yeah, that's
the trouble with these short courses, everything's just caked. Alright, so change of plan. 8S Steve's Hobeo's giving up the ghost. But alright, so what other cars we got in here?
My little baby.
Is that where, that's where in Badlands as well?
Yeah.
Haha. And what else is in there?
We have.
Hey!
The ST.
Get the ST out. Subscribe to his channel, guys. Look at all the work he's doing just so we can have some fun. So we got attempt number 2. And it still doesn't work.
I haven't plugged it in.
Oh.
We're ready.
We're ready. Nail it. Oh, oh! Straight in the face. Ah.
Are you Jay? Oh. You got mud on your face.
Have I got it on my face as well?
Yeah.
Uh-oh. We're off, whip. Oh, we're going, whip. Yeah, whip. Wait. Oh. Oh my God, that thing's an animal. Every time I'm behind it, I just shut my eyes. Do you reckon you could do a car crash but without destroying it?
I don't know. I'll give it a go.
Give it a go. Maybe not. No chance. No, definitely not. Uh-oh, it's gonna break. Oh no, not enough grip, not enough balls. Oh, check it out, paddle. How waterproof's your one? Oh, dude.
Did you get that?
Yeah, I got it in the face. Oh, needs more speed. All right, we're going to try and go at this flat out. Oh, it's, oh! It skimmed it all the way through. Oh, that went in the eye. Oh, I've got a bit muddy water in my eye. Oh. It's cut out.
Uh-oh.
Battery's flat. Battery's run out and we're in the puddle! Hey!
Right, that is really, really rubby.
Hopefully this thing here's kept it clean inside.
Unlike your fingers.
What do you reckon?
You're going to have dirty fingers.
What do you reckon under here?
Dirty.
It's not too bad.
Shake all the puplets out.
Yeah.
You know what to do. Subscribe, subscribe, subscribe.
Yes, just subscribe to both of our channels, guys.
Hello, my hunting.
Guys, I'm dead. No more action from me. Stop working. No steering, no throttle, no nothing. I think the water's got in the receiver box. I think get it back to the workshop and have a little look what's in there. I missed it on camera, mate, and Steve just fell over.
I fell over.
Do it again, just for video.
I don't fall over. Can you see? Yay.
went down like a sack of spuds. What happened?
I did.
Oh, it was raining.
Do it again. I dare you to stand behind it and just nail it.
I really got myself really well.
Go on then, go. Oh! Oh! It went everywhere.
Oh.
Ah! Don't steer this way. Man, that's still rapid on 4, and that can do AS. Have you got an AS on you? Have you got AS on you? I don't think the tyres would take it, would they? Alright, that's it for today, guys. Make sure you subscribe to Steve's channel, give us a thumbs up, show us some love. See you soon, guys.